Dear students, welcome back again to our chemistry class. Now we are watching our CLA Degree College YouTube classes. In this session, I am going to discuss about the applications of methyl magnesium iodide in case of alcohols. In our last class, we have been discussed about the preparation of methyl magnesium iodide as well as basic concept of the organometallic compounds. Let me enter into our today's concept, that is the preparation of alcohols by using methyl magnesium iodide. Dear student, alcohols, it is the three types we obtain. One is a primary alcohol, secondary alcohol, tertiary alcohol. First let me see here primary alcohol. Preparation of primary alcohol by using the Grignard reagent. Here Grignard reagent formula is the RMgX. R, it stands for alkyl group, it is the magnesium and it is the halogen group. It reacts with the formaldehyde. It reacts with the formaldehyde. Then it provides the addition product. This is about the addition product. And then again it undergoes into the hydrolysis. Then it gives the primary alcohol. See dear students, it is about the Grignard reagent. This Grignard reagent, it is react with this formaldehyde, and then here this R group is come and attack on this carbon atom, and then this MgX, here automatically it is shifted to here. This MgX is come and attack on this oxygen atom. So now it gives the substituted product, that is HCrHOMgX, and then again undergoes the hydrolysis. It provide here H2O, it can be written like this one, H plus plus OH minus. Here O is a negative charge. This negative charge, it is easily attracted by the positive charge, that is H plus, and then MgX plus OH minus, it provide the MgOHX. And then here this O minus and then H, it will become a OH group. Now what is the functional group of alcohol? Yes, that is the OH is there. So now here it containing only one alkyl group. So now it is known as the primary alcohol. It containing one alkyl group, it is known as the primary alcohol. Let me see here the examples, because mainly in our today's class we are discussing about the applications of methyl magnesium iodide. So now here wherever the R group is there, you have to substitute CH3 and then Mg. Wherever the X group is there, you have to substitute I. With respect to, it is react with the formaldehyde, HC double bond OH, and then this CH3 group, it is come and attack on this carbon atom, so automatically it is shifted to here, and then there is Mgi is goes and attack, and then it provide the addition product. Here H, C, single bond O, and it is H. What is here? R group means CH3 group, and then here Mgi. It is about the addition product. ಇದೇನಂತಂದ್ರೆ addition product ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. Here it undergoes the hydrolysis. ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಹೈಡ್ರೋಲೈಸಿಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಮಗೇನ್ ಸಿಗತ್ತಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರೈಮರಿ ಆಲ್ಕೋಹಾಲ್ ಸಿಗತ್ತೆ. ಆಲ್ಕೋಹಾಲ್ ಅಂತ ನಮಗೆ ಫಂಕ್ಷನಲ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಏನ್ ಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ, OH ಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. ಹಿಯರ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಅನ್ನ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಬರಿಬಹುದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ, H ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ OH ಮೈನಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಬರಿಬಹುದು. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ O is a negative charge. This negative charge is easily attracted by this positive charge. So now it will become HCCH3, and then this is about the OH, and then here H plus MgOHI. It is about the addition product. So now it is known as the primary alcohol. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವೇನಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕರಿತೀವಿ, ಇವಾಗ primary alcohol ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ? So this is about the first one, primary alcohol by using the Grignard reagent. Let me see here second one. Here in terms in this one, by the treating of ethylene oxide with Grignard reagent and it's subjecting the product to hydrolysis. Dear student, see here methyl magnesium iodide, it reacts with ethylene oxide, it gives the N-propyl alcohol. Here CH3MgI and then ethylene oxide formula is CH2CH2O. Just you have to observe in this one. Here, this is in terms of cyclic structure, but it gives the only chain structure. Here CH3 MgI, CH2 CH2O is there, and then here MgI and then O. It is like this one, and here CH3 CH2 CH2O MgI, and it gives the addition product, undergoes hydrolysis, it gives the alcoholic group. Here alcoholic group means again it is very easy because here O minus is there, H2 it can be written like this one, H plus as well as OH minus. Again this negative charge it is attracted with this positive charge and it gives the CH3 CH2 CH2 OH. It is known as N-propyl alcohol because how many carbon atoms are here? 1, 2, 3 means prop. So it is N-propyl alcohol, and then remaining is the MgOHI because here MgI is there and here OH. What is the remaining? MgOHI. So this is about the second type involving in the primary alcohol. Now next one is the secondary alcohol. How to prepare secondary alcohol by using Grignard reagent? Here, by the action of an aldehyde other than formaldehyde followed by hydrolysis, it forms a secondary alcohol. ಇಲ್ಲೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವೇನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಇನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರೈಮರಿ ಅಲ್ಕೋಹಾಲ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಯೂಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮಾಲ್ಡಿಹೈಡನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ಇನ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡರಿ ಅಲ್ಕೋಹಾಲ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಗ್ರಿಗ್ನಾರ್ಡ್ ರಿಏಜೆಂಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ವಿತ್ ದಿ aldehyde. Aldehyde means what is the functional group of aldehyde? Yes, right, that is the CHO. CHO means here why the C double bond O is there? Because it is a carbonyl compound. Okay, and then it provide substitution product. Again it provide addition product. Here again see here this R group come and attack on this carbon atom and then it will shift it to here and then MgX goes and attack on this oxygen atom. So now R and here R dash is there, C double bond O is there means it is shifted to here. And then here R dash is there, it is about the C double bond O and it is the H, it is aldehyde is there. And then here it gives addition product R dash H O MgX. Again on hydrolysis same. Here O minus is there, H and OH minus, it attracted by the H plus. So now it will provide the secondary alcohol. Secondary alcohol means R, C, R dash, OH and here the H means CHOH. Here the CHOH, here R and R group is there. Just ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಂತಂದರೆ R ಮತ್ತು R ಅನ್ನು ಎರಡು ಇಲ್ಲಿ R ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲೂ R ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದನ್ನು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ವ್ಯತ್ಯಾಸ ತೋರಿಸೋದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಏನು ಬರೆದಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂತಂದರೆ R ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಬರೆದಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಇಟ್ ಕಂಟೈನಿಂಗ್ 2 alkyl group or 2 R groups, so that's why it is known as the secondary alcohol plus MgOHX. Let me see here example. Wherever the R group is there, just you have to substitute CH3. Wherever the X group is there, just you have to substitute I group. Here it is the CH3 MgI. It reacts with, again you can take another one CH3, C double bond O and H. It gives rise to, here what is there? CH3 and then C. Again here also CH3 and then H. Here it is the OMgI plus, it gives CH3, again CH3 and then CHOH plus MgOHI. So this is about the secondary alcohol. Just ನೀವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತಂದರೆ ಜನರಲ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನನ್ನು ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಜನರಲ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಆರ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲೇನು ಮಾಡಿ CH3 ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿ, ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಲೋಜನ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲೇನು ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಐ ಗ್ರೂಪನ್ನು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ ಸೆಕೆಂಡರಿ alcohol. Now third one is the tertiary alcohol. Here tertiary alcohol, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಯಾವುದನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ? ಫಾರ್ಮಾಲ್ಡಿಹೈಡ್ ಅನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವೇನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಡಿಹೈಡ್ ಅನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಥರ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಕೀಟೋನ್. ಹಿಯರ್ by the action of ketone with Grignard reagent, it followed by hydrolysis, it gives tertiary alcohol. Dear student, again here what is our first reactant? That is a Grignard reagent. It reacts with the ketone. It is R dash and it is C double bond O is here. It is the ketonic functional group, and again it provide substitution product. Here R is attack on this carbon atom. R is attack on this carbon atom, and then here again it gives addition product. Here R is attack on this carbon atom, and then automatically this bond is shifted to here, and then this MgX is go and attack on this oxygen atom, and it provide the addition product. See here R, and then here R dash, R double dash, single bond O, MgX here is there. Undergoes hydrolysis. Again same, here O minus is there, it converted to give OH. So now here 1, 2, 3 means it is known as the tertiary alcohol plus MgOH. So this is about the preparation of tertiary alcohol. And dear students, again how to write the example? Wherever the R group is there, you have to substitute CH3, Mg, and then X means I plus ketonic group. I am taking again CH3, C double bond O, CH3, it is the R dash, R double dash, it goes and to give addition product CH3, single bond O, MgX or Mgi, and it is the CH3, and then again it is the CH3, and then finally it gives CH3, 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 and here OH, and then remaining is the MgOH. So this is about the preparation of tertiary alcohols. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಂತಂದ್ರೆ 3 group ಬಂದಿದೆ, 1, 2, 3. So it is about the tertiary alcohols. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಏನಂತಂದ್ರೆ applications of methyl magnesium iodide. First in case of alcohols. Alcohols, it is containing 3 types: primary alcohol, secondary alcohol as well. Okay dear students, here now I will provide one very easy hint to remember all this concept very easily. What is that one? See here, our common reagent is the Grignard reagent. Its formula is the RMgX. It is our common reagent. So first one is the, you have to take formaldehyde to prepare primary alcohol. Formaldehyde formula is the HCH double bond O. Is it right? Okay. So this is about the first one. And then second one is the, instead of one H, you have to take one R group. R, C double bond O, and H, it is known as the aldehyde. And third one is the, instead of another one group, you have to take two R group. Means here R dash, C, R double dash, double bond O. It is known as the formaldehyde, it is known as the aldehyde, and it is known as the ketone. And react with this one, it provide the primary alcohol, and then it provide the secondary alcohol, it provide the tertiary alcohol. Just you have to practice 1 or 2 times. Now it will become very easy to remember. Just ಇದನ್ನಷ್ಟೇ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. RMgX ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಫಾರ್ಮಾಲ್ಡಿಹೈಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ CH ಡಬಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ O ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಬರೀತೀರಾ. ಅಲ್ಡಿಹೈಡ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು R ಗ್ರೂಪ್, ಒಂದು H ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಅನ್ನ ರಿಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮತ್ತೊಂದು R ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಅನ್ನ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀರಾ. ಕೀಟೋನ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು H ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಅನ್ನ ರಿಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮತ್ತೇನು ತಗೊಳ್ತೀರಾ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು R ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಅನ್ನ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀರಾ. ಸೊ ಡಿಯರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದಿ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಿಥೈಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೀಸಿಯಂ ಅಯೋಡೈಡ್ in terms of alcohol. What we have discussed? We have discussed about the primary alcohol preparation, secondary alcohol preparation, tertiary alcohol preparation. I hope all of you understood this today's concept. And